won sit here. Me wo bedroom ni ho. Ma ba ho ni ho. Me ti gidi na me bucket na ma be hage wa. O pity me.
Everybody come on come in. Say any say when am nyima o. Na ka o
Chelsea.
Lake. Nti me no to my obone. Me no wo to one my obone. My obone da.
Ade.
When is wo da no ada no me fa wo phone. And they will fingerprint and me also. Me ho ma wo no na chatting na. Ti say wo so kwa wo sa for mechi. Me wa sa me ye adwuma ye yi na me nim say me ye consider me. That me need to oba me ti feel na me say. So e wo Lake. Aden. Wo me say. Yes, me nya wa sa ba kwanya so asa aka ho. She ene dey kege to kan kan. Minti me. Like minti me. Nyete me bebiem. Me pese me yigu.
Minti me there. Me se me nji yin sana na. Chelsea.
Me pese me bebiem. Wo me say.
Calm down. Chelsea. You slap me.
I've slapped you. I'll slap you again.
Okay, wait for me.
Me just all power no. All pennies and all best can me yin na wo. When you go ka o say.
Oh, look. Oh, where they go now?
Charlie.
Why? You are so worried. What is happening to you? Why? What is happening?
I'm going to town. Somebody they owe me plenty money where I won't go take camp, Charlie. What's up, Charlie?
Oh, wait now. They talk to you. Why they run go now? You say you are my friend, so I come to you. Have patience or have time with me.
Uche. Why?
Why?
What brought you here?
You are asking me what you are telling me. See, I want to break that news. So there's a good news. I went to my pastor over there. And then after they closed, my pastor called me. He started to tell me, say, I should go to one of my best friends to go and slap him well. If I slap him, immediately I slap him. My friend goes to inside the room. Money everywhere inside the bed. So that is exactly a coin.
Uche. Oh, I didn't how. One numbers na nya adwuma na now we say wonum jot.
Why are you saying this? I didn't know.
Na say ma o be kan o dwene ho. As a whole lake me.
You are my friend to me.
Na me maame. O tim me wo me 9 months. Kura betima be abase wo be bom aso.
You mean your mother cannot slap you?
Chelsea. Me yere no a
That your wife.
Uche me yere no onyem no.
What do you mean boss?
On me yere no onyem no kura no. Obetima bom aso mu. Say
hey. What does you try to say? What does you try to say?
Sister, are you come to give this guy na supper or na breakfast where you go give him? After you slap this boy, look at this boy the way he do. When you face make like mumu, they cut him. You they can't kill him.
she slap you.
You said? You didn't explain anything.
Uche.
See, man, I tell you. You say yellow papa where you go love. I been here a long time. So, Nick, are you going to sit inside this community? Every day, a woman, AJ. Nick, you go die for woman. No. See, I dey here now, so they anything where you people they say, me, I dey here. Hey, Nick, your mama and your papa dey in a village where they find food to eat. You allow woman to slap you, be like say they get na oklebu. Maybe Uche. Blabba say, oh, better for ne. Today I tell me to pastor say me boy should be. What's it that? Oh, my boy, you are giving me stories. Now see your life. All your face has changed. People are saying, Mumu, they caught you. Come on, let's go.